it's Hannah with WTI. I love spending time in my bed, and nothing makes it more enjoyable than an excellent set of sheets.
Comfort and durability are the number one things I'm looking for when I'm getting a set of sheets. These ones from BuLuTu are exactly that. They are this beautiful burnt orange, and I have them in the king size. It's a four-piece set, so the fitted top and two pillows. They have really great deep pockets, so they fit on the mattress so well. They are extra cozy. I have four animals who all love to sleep in bed with me, so I really want to make sure I have excellent sheets that are easy to wash, and these are definitely that. I laundered them accordingly, put them on our bed, and you can see that all of us love these sheets, not just from the look, but also they are so luxurious.
Make your bed a cozy little haven to get away to and get these sheets. You're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.